All right, now for the main event. Should I just cut across the top here?
Oh no, all you have to do is grab the box from the top here and then pick it up from the bottom. Here you have the assembly stand. Here you have the printer. So we're going to place the stand on top of the box.
Okay.
Here you have the instructions. In that corner you have the tools. Here you have the stand. We're going to take the stand out of the box, lay all the pieces out, and put the stand together.
Perfect.
What we're going to do is take this off here.
Yeah. Okay.
We're going to place this. So we're going to remove these. You're going to have a left side, you're going to have a right side.